Imagine you're out in the wilderness, tracking a game, when suddenly, the government decides your trusted hunting rifle is too powerful, too versatile, or simply too controversial. What if the very tools that make you an effective hunter are now under scrutiny? Today, we're diving into 5 hunting calibers that have caught the government's eye, not because of misuse, but because of their sheer capability. Stick around as we uncover the reasons behind the controversy and why these calibers are both revered and feared. The 6.8 SPC was developed to bridge the gap between the 5.56 NATO and larger calibers, offering improved stopping power without excessive recoil. Hunters appreciate its effectiveness on medium-sized game and its compatibility with AR-15 platforms. However, its military origins have raised eyebrows among regulators. The caliber's enhanced lethality and adaptability have led to discussions about its suitability for civilian use. Moreover, the cost and availability of ammunition can be prohibitive, especially for those in rural areas. Despite these challenges, the 6.8 SPC remains a favorite for hunters seeking a balance between power and precision. Introduced in 1873, the .45-70 government cartridge has stood the test of time. Its massive stopping power makes it ideal for large game like bear and moose. Lever-action rifles chambered in .45-70 evoke a sense of nostalgia, connecting hunters to a bygone era. However, its formidable recoil and the cost of ammunition can be daunting. Additionally, some argue that its destructive potential could attract regulatory attention, especially in non-hunting contexts. Yet for many, the .45-70's raw power and historical significance outweigh these concerns. The .300 Blackout offers versatility that's hard to match. Designed for both supersonic and subsonic loads, it's effective for various hunting scenarios. When paired with a suppressor, it provides a quiet shooting experience, making it ideal for stealthy hunts. However, this very feature has led to increased scrutiny. Some regulators view its suppressor-friendly design and military roots as potential red flags. Moreover, the cost and availability of ammunition, especially subsonic rounds, can be limiting factors. Despite these issues, the .300 Blackout's adaptability keeps it in high demand among modern hunters. The .223 Remington and its military counterpart, the 5.56 NATO, are staples in the hunting community. Their high velocity and flat trajectory make them suitable for varmint and small game hunting. However, their association with military rifles has led to debates about their place in civilian hands. Some states have even imposed restrictions on their use for hunting larger game due to concerns about wounding rather than killing. Additionally, the interchangeability between .223 and 5.56 can be confusing and potentially dangerous if not properly understood. While they remain popular, these calibers are not without their controversies. The .50 BMG is a behemoth in the world of firearms. Originally designed for military use, its immense power and range are unparalleled. Some hunters have adopted it for taking down the largest game at extreme distances. However, its sheer power has led to significant regulatory pushback. In states like California, the sale of .50 BMG rifles is banned, and other states have imposed strict regulations. The cost of the rifles and ammunition, along with their weight and recoil, make them impractical for most hunters. Yet, for those seeking unmatched power, the .50 BMG remains the ultimate choice. These 5 calibers each offer unique advantages for hunters, but they also come with their own set of challenges and controversies. From regulatory scrutiny to practical limitations, it's essential for hunters to stay informed and understand the implications of their choices. As the landscape of firearm regulations continues to evolve, staying educated and adaptable is more important than ever. Which of these calibers do you use or are interested in? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth firearm content. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow hunting enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more content on hunting, firearms, and regulations. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy hunting!